I'm here at 14024 Rainbow Point. We're going to take a tour of this house today. I'm excited to show you. Before that, I want to just tell you a little bit about the neighborhood. This is out in Far East El Paso. It's considered the Tierras, Upper East Side. There's a lot of names for it now, but just this neighborhood is kind of secluded. It's real quiet, out to its own. Most of these homes are kind of custom homes and really manicured area of the Far East Side. Like this home here, you have the driveway that's paved, a meticulous landscape. So let's come inside, check it out. As you walk in here, you're greeted by this open living area, kitchen, dining room. This house is about 1,800 square feet almost, but it feels a lot bigger. You have high ceilings, really high ceilings, the recessed lighting, so it makes the space feel a lot bigger than it really is, but you still have a lot of space. Full living room area, dining room out here in the back. These niches, they're very popular at one point. They're still very functional. That's a feature this home has. So I want to point out something else that people ask me about is this hand textured wall. So it's throughout the home. This is a custom touch on the house. The ceiling has it, the walls have it. Out here in the kitchen, you have, of course, granite, stainless steel appliances. A big request for a lot of families is the pantry. This house has a very large pantry. We'll open it. I'm not sure if it's cleaned up or a mess right now, but it's a very big pantry. It's got lighting in there, so you have enough space, enough room throughout the kitchen to make for storage and things of that sort. Like counter space, tons of counter space. So out in the front, you have 2 bedrooms, a bath. Again, one room faces the front, one room faces the side of the house. In-house washer and dryer, and the garage is fully finished. In the master bedroom, you're gonna have his and hers bathroom. I really like this. It's very unique because they're separate. They're not side by side. They're separate, so it gives you more space, more division, and of course the garden tub and shower combo. This one has that. Not to discount anything. Also walk-in closet. And here we continue with that hand trowel texture, the high ceilings, and the crown molding. Okay, the next features, my favorite part of the house, is this outdoor space. You're gonna love it. Let's check it out. So you're walking out here. It's got tiled covered patio, large covered patio with tile, stamped concrete, the artificial turf that makes it really low maintenance, no work to be done in this backyard. The cypress trees throughout the backyard are really nice, gives you that sense of green oasis in the desert, and then that fencing behind them gives you a lot of privacy. Real quiet area. You're at the end of a cul-de-sac almost, so it's a real quiet neighborhood. And a big perk of this house is that it sits behind a city park. So the owners have built an access door to the park. So you could go out here in the evenings and take the walk or your early morning jogs. You could just walk out the backyard and hit the park immediately. So there it is, 14024 Rainbow Point. I hope you like this tour. Let me know what you guys think of this house, and we'll see you on the next one.